In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an autoresponder rule in Zoho CRM using Chrome. Whether you're a seasoned user or just beginning your journey with Zoho CRM, automating your response emails will streamline your workflow and improve your efficiency. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoho CRM account via the Chrome browser. If you haven't yet created an account, you'll want to do that first. But assuming you already have, simply open Chrome, head to the Zoho CRM website, and enter your credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, your next destination is the Setup area. To navigate there, look towards the top right corner of the interface. You'll find a wrench or gear icon commonly associated with settings everywhere. Click on that icon and it will unveil a menu filled with different options to optimize your Zoho CRM experience. Among these options, you'll want to find and click on Automation. This section is dedicated to simplifying your tasks and maximizing workflow efficiency through automated processes. Under Automation, you'll see Autoresponder Rules. Go ahead and click on this option to proceed. Now that you're in the right place, let's focus on creating an autoresponder rule. This is where you start defining how you want your automated responses to behave. At this point, look for an option to create a new rule. This could be a prominent button or link inviting you to create new, or something similar. Click on it and you'll enter the setup phase of your new rule. The first thing you'll need to do is decide which module this autoresponder rule will be associated with. Zoho CRM uses modules to organize different sections like leads, contacts, accounts, and more. So, think about where this rule will serve you best. Once you've chosen the appropriate module, you're ready for the next step. Setting trigger conditions is crucial because this is what determines when your autoresponder will activate. Consider using common scenarios, such as when a new lead is created. This ensures that anyone reaching out to you gets an immediate response, keeping communication lines open and active. Select your desired condition in the drop-down or input manner provided. Now that the trigger condition is set, it's time to choose or craft your email template. This is the message that will be sent automatically. Zoho CRM might offer some default templates, or you can create a personalized one that aligns with your brand's voice. You'll want your email to be warm, engaging, and informative, giving your leads the essential information they need upfront. With your template in place, the final step is to save and activate your rule. Look for a Save or Activate button, which will likely serve as a confirmation